Mullein is an herb that has traditionally been used as a remedy for a variety of different ailments. But you're probably wondering, is it effective in providing a boost for your lungs and respiratory system? Well, that is exactly what we are going to discuss in this video. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. The mullein leaf is known for having antibacterial properties that fight against both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Some studies found that it even has antiviral and antifungal properties as well. This trifecta is good when it comes to treating breathing issues that are associated with colds and respiratory infections. Mullein was even used back during the 1800s as a treatment for tuberculosis. So if phlegm has accumulated in the back of your throat, you might consider mullein as a way to help get rid of it. The most practical way to consume mullein is as an herbal tea, or you can add a few drops of concentrated extract to other beverages as well. With that said, this herb is sold in oil, powder, elixir, and capsule form. Each can be purchased from a local pharmacy or from online retailers such as Amazon. I included links to some of our favorite mullein products down below in the description, so definitely check those out if you're interested. However, keep in mind that we are not doctors and this video is for informational purposes only. Real quick guys, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And while you're down there, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well because we have a ton of other videos on our channel that I think you will enjoy. Just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. And if you want to dive deeper and learn more about this topic, you can go to respiratorytherapyzone.com where we have a ton of free study guides, practice questions, and other helpful resources. I'll drop links to everything you need right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.